if f of tan x is equal to sin 2x, where x not equals to 2n plus 1 of pi by 2, and n belongs to I, then which of the following is an incorrect statement? So what is the given function here? F of tan x is equal to sin 2x. F of tan x is equal to sin 2x, and we know the sin 2x formula we can write in terms of tan x. So we can also write this as f of tan x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So which implies that f of x is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. So here we can say that x should not be equal to 2n plus 1 of pi by 2 in the case of f of tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. And but here f of x is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. For any real number, the denominator is positive, and this is defined for all x belongs to R. So for this function f of x is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square, the domain will be, it's a domain of f of x is all real numbers. X belongs to R. Okay. And now second case, if x belongs to R, since x belongs to R, so now if I take f of x is equal to y, 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to y, which implies yx square minus 2x and plus y equals to 0. By doing cross multiplication, you can get yx square minus 2x plus y equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation in x, where x is a real number, so that we can say its a discriminant must be greater than or equals to 0. So that is p square 4 minus 4y into y, that is 4y square must be greater than or equals to 0. Or we can write 4 times of 1 minus y square is greater than or equals to 0. That we can also write it as a 1, or y square minus 1 is less than or equals to 0, which implies y lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So that is y belongs to minus 1 to 1. Therefore the range of the function, range of f of x is minus 1 to 1. So among these options, range of f of x is minus 1 to 1, which is correct. And now let me check whether it is an onto or not. Now consider, since f of x is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now what is f of minus x? Minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is nothing but minus of f of x. So which says that f is odd function. So we can consider f is odd function is also correct. This is also correct. And now to check for f of x is many one or not. So we will show that let f of x is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. Then it's a derivative. By using your derivative principle, if it is either increasing in the domain or decreasing in the domain, we can say f is 1 to 1. And f dash x is equal to 1 plus x square whole square by using your u by v rule. 1 plus x square into differentiation of 2x is 2 minus 2x into differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. So which implies that f dash x is equal to 2x square plus 2 minus 4x square. Okay, and just let me check once again. 1 plus x square of 2 minus 2x into differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. Okay, correct. So divided by 1 plus x square whole square. So which is equal to 2 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. And this can also be written f dash x is equal to 2 taken common, 2 of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. And clearly the denominator is positive, and the numerator part, it will be increasing or decreasing. Like we can just consider 1 minus x square, we can take plus or minus 1, plus 1 or minus 1, and minus of 2x, it can be taken either positive and decreasing and increasing, so it's not constantly increasing or constantly decreasing. So and hence we can say this is not 1 1, which is not 1 1 means it is a many to one function. Many to one function, which option? Your fourth option is also correct. F of x is many to one function, and domain of f of x is not this function. Domain of f of tan x can be taken r minus of 2n plus 1 of pi by 2, but domain of f of x is given here, x belongs to r, so this is the wrong answer. So which of the following is an incorrect statement means we can give the option A.